So getting this started, that's kind of the problem here. Okay, yeah, I gotta wash my car. It's really dirty, so that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna wash my car. I'm gonna wash it. I haven't washed it in a while though, so. Yeah, okay. Man, it's fucking hot out here. Okay, I got the wheels done. Honestly, it's so freaking hot out, man. Alright, I gotta get the rest of the car. Dude, it's hot, man. Okay, what's next? Oh yeah, dude, I got my water guys on. So we're in the process of moving. So that's why I'm using a plastic bin instead of an actual bucket, because I forgot to bring the actual bucket over. But it'll work. Plus this paint isn't that great, so I'm not really too concerned about damaging anything on the paint. Just trying to get some of the grime off. Which I'll see what happens. It normally comes out it's a little shinier, it'll come out a little shinier, but whatever. I got the Chemical Guys Citrus Wash and Gloss. I haven't used this in forever. Oh. Okay. Some soap on that. Get some of this. Yeah, I didn't do a whole lot with the wheels because I didn't really feel like talking, I'm not gonna lie. But this is what I use. And this stuff honestly works super good and it's like super cheap. So that's what I like. I got the Chemical Guys stuff because I like Chemical Guys, but low key, I was not really, it didn't feel that good. So I just started using the other one. One there. Oh shit. Alright. Let me start scrubbing some of it down. Okay. Oh, holy, okay. I normally have a bucket, so it's kind of annoying, but that's fine. I'm not really too concerned right now. I just wanted to get like some of the dirt off. I haven't cleaned this thing in forever. And obviously I gotta paint this, which is one thing I will be doing later on. But right now probably not. I gotta get that guy. Gotta get that guy going. But once it starts running, I'll get on some of that stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna get around to painting this stuff. Or this car. I'm doing stuff. I gotta get like the power, or the, I'm gonna put a manual rack and pinion in it because it's leaking and I don't feel like dealing with it. So I'm just gonna put a manual one. I've been driving it without liquid anyway. I feel like, I've been driving it without it anyway. Oh, it's really good. But yeah, get around to it. I might do a video on like the stuff I put on this car later on. Little, I don't know, mod showcase or something. I don't really do too much to it though. But anyway, it's something. I got the parts coming in for the CRV right now, so that'll be the next thing. Now, I never said I was good at washing cars, so if anyone has anything to say whatever you want. But I was trying to get this shit clean, and it's hot as hell out here, so I'm trying to get it done as quick as possible. It doesn't dry super hard. Okay. Whoa. Okay. If I can do, gotta clean the inside of this car too. I'll do that another day. I gotta set up a vacuum and stuff. And we're like in the middle of moving houses, so it's kind of a pain. Everything moved over. We left most of the garage stuff in there though, just so I can still work on it. But either way. Cool, didn't shoot me in the head this time. Whoa. Whoa. Alright, dude. It's looking pretty good. Then I dry it and I'll go back to being matte, but it is what it is. I got on drying this thing. Oh yeah, and I use this thing, dude, the swiper. Oh my god. It's a little old. I'm gonna have to get a new one soon, but dude, it so works so good. I love it. And over here, I get dried off. The sun, this thing is drying on its own. God, bring it. Oh. I'll drip dry. Oh, dude, my sticker's peeling. Oh, whatever. All right. Sucks it up pretty good, and then it just kind of dries off. Put this thing back in here. I've cut my thumb so many times doing this, like this plastic here. Alright, let me get some of this over here.